Okay, so on this quite mild day actually, I've done a combination dish. It's between a French onion soup and a beef casserole. Oh, so in here is 2.5 kilos of braising steak, 5 onions, half a litre of stout, which I made with my father-in-law 3 years ago. I found it in the garage. Half a litre of beef stock. Just going to take out the rind of the cheese here. Some thyme and plenty of seasoning. And that's been slow cooking for 6.5 hours. So what's left to do now is to get, I've got a baguette, obviously sliced it up and soaked it in hot garlic butter. So this now sits on the top of this beef stew. Slowly do that, and it goes back in the oven for 10 minutes just to toast off. And then I'll pull it out again and I'll put the Goya cheese on, and it to come out all bubbling and hot and steaming, I hope. And we're going to have that with some lovely Savoy cabbage. Wow, okay, final bit. Let's get some cheese on all over. Good helping of cheese. Bits back there. Back in for 5 minutes. Okay, it's all done. Oh wow, look at that. I've just got to get this out now. There you go. My version of a beef and onion, French onion casserole. Looks lovely. So there you go. That's it for today. Stay tuned for my next video. It's going to be a good one. Hopefully tomorrow. And I'll see you all soon. Cheers.